In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem guest OS on the hyperv cannot showing the login form. You can see that it's just only showing wallpaper without a clock or etc. However, I click in the place or in the screen cannot open the login form or form that must be type the security key. Whenever I drag and drop the mouse, you can see cannot open the form or cannot log in. You can see while in here showing a clock, but actually in here the clock not show. How to solve this problem? Just click on this menu into basic sessions. Click this. Now you can see it's very easy. Now you can log in as usual. You can input the PIN or security key. And that's all. Tutorial how to solve a problem. You cannot log in into your guest OS on hyperv because you are using enhanced section mode. Okay, that's all tutorial how to solve the guest OS cannot log in hyperv. Hope this is helpful for you.